picture, Tia.
1, 2, 3. Kuya Tio, look up the camera. 1, 2, 3. Swapo, 1, 2, 3.
I like kissing you.
Swapo.
Sige. That hurts. There you go.
Galit pa.
Running back and forward 'cause I'm causing you heartache. Thinking I could leave you any second of night. Never been the one to be emotionally closed off. Maybe 'cause it's feeling so right. I wanna rush with you in the morning. I
Where are we going?
Buhay.
Ha? Asan buhay? Asan buhay? Ha?
There.
Oh, read that.
Dear Joe.
Okay.
Guys, what's up? Having a new trip? We're going to the Kahitay. What's up, baby? Give me my orca. Give me my orca. It feels like I'm going. It feels like I'm going free from the. It feels like I'm on vacation.
Saan mo gusto? Yummy. Go faster, saan mo will go?
Oh, they're going the wrong way. Daddy, can I look? Mommy, can I look?
Iyo, careful ha. Careful. Daddy, oh. Pupunta sa heart ata.
See you later na, let's eat first.
I'm gonna do parkour. Watch, okay? I got my eyes on you. See, guys, that's how it's done.
4,000 na to.
I'm gonna have fun.
Plus entrance fee, 350.
Ooh, the
Ay, 250? Oh, 250 kasi dalawang tao isang sasakyan. 4,000. Tingnan natin. Ang bigat ng plato nila dito, parang bato. Ha?
Ito, 600.
600 dyan. Ito maganda. 600 din, 700 ata to.
This is the worst day ever. I didn't
Going next?
Capybara Land.
Tomorrow pa nga. We're gonna go shopping. Let's go!
We're going to Disneyland.
Disneyland? Next year pa.
Oh, vloggers. Hello, vloggers. What's up? Today, we're going shopping.
Ay, napakad na naman ako.
Go? O, thank you, bye, Tio.
Look.
Pati niya ako. Yan, bilhin niya.
I see it.
Ah, ito, suot niya na. Suot ko lang.
Hindi na naman pili ka, di ba?
Ah, tita, may pampalit na ako doon sa regalo ko. Ay, pampalit na ako doon sa regalo ng daddy. Amultahin kayo.
Ito talaga yung shop niya. HLA. Tia!
Staying pala in our favorite hotel here in Tagaytay. Twin Lakes! Let's go!
We're staying there in 3 days.
No. One day lang.
Hello, guys.
Daddy. Tawagin. Ay, tatanungin kayo. May reservation? Ay, sige. Thank you.
Dude.
What's up, baby girl? Ay, Tio. Hey. Tio.
Hey, dude. Stop recording.
Yes. First room on there. Room tour.
mushroom. And I thought it had a bathtub.
This side, oh, Tio, the bottom.
Dude, this looks sick. Looks crashing out.
One bed lang itong pinuha natin. Dito lang.
Look, Tio.
It's like an abomination.
Abomination. Ooh, very nice.
This is not better than, and there's no hotel better than this. Let's look down there.
Cool. Later swim tayo dyan, Tio. Later swim ha.
Oh,
Nice. Grapevines. Tagaytay, Taal Lake. Really nice.
it's a lake.
And relax later.
Looks like an abomination. This looks like an abomination. Anyway, bye-bye, Bob. God, dude.
Nice.
Stay there for the rest of
May matutulo. Sasakyan.
You swim from here to there, Tio. Swim.
One of the reason this is our favorite hotel is because of breakfast. Complete sila compared to other hotels. This one, meron silang side dishes, fish, nice view, lahat of ham juice, salad, ulam, dami. So, complete. Yung iba kasi, order ka lang ng tapsilog eh. So, lilima lang yung ulam. Ito kompleto, may bread, may taho pa actually. Salad, so. Where are we?
Yucky's Farm.
Yucky's Farm. So Tio can see a capybara. Touch some grass, Tio.
We're at the farm, guys. To see what you call the cutest thing in the world. Capybaras! Mommy, let's go.
So. Lakad namin, take a picture.
Go at the back of the, bunny.
Go.
Don't try me.
No, he will not.
Don't bite you. Go, come on, touch. Roar. Okay. That one, oh. Go. Yay. Say, don't disturb me, boy. I'm sleeping. Let's go.
Like,
Go. Feed. Go.
Feed the tortoise. Sila po is mga Aldabra tortoise, the second largest tortoise in the world. Ang lifespan po nila,
So-
100 to 200 years.
Wait, hindi na makagat, Tio.
Pero na lang po, may hawakan.
Ito, Tio. Hey bro, eat it.
I'm sorry.
Don't shove it to my face, bro.
Kahit anong green leafy po, kinakain.
Ayusin mo nga.
Like
Hindi nga makagat. The side one. Like that. Oh, see?
Hindi po sila nangangagat.
Bird?
Pwede po natin silang hawakan,
Bird?
bawal po katukin.
It says bird.
Oh.
Burn.
Bawal mo kung...
Is that his name?
Burn.
Yes. His name is Burn.
Cheese. Tia.
Bye-bye.
Tia.
Yo!
Tia, cheese.
Tio, put your head here. Pretend that the crocodile is eating you. Come on. Put your head here. Let's go. Come here. Put your head. And look at daddy. Put your head. Like that. Ah! Put your head. Like that. Ah! Say ah! Let's go na. Oh, yeah. Don't move.
Smile, look at mommy. Look at
Sa
the
very
camera.
puso mo,
Smile.
wala.
Pero ako, wag mo ko lagyan, kuya.
Takot siya.
Baka mga... Tia,
1, 2,
cheese!
3. Get Tio. 1, 2, 3, smile. Tio po, wait lang po. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, smile. Another one po, 1, 2, 3. Another one po.
One more, Tia!
1, 2, 3. Kuya Tio, look up the camera. 1, 2, 3. Kuha po, 1, 2, 3.
I like kissing you.
Kuha po.
Sige. They're eating now. Wow, ang galing. Tia, they're eating.
Kuya Tio.
Tia, say hi!
Say hi to the camera. Yung nga. Buksan mo lang.
Ikot! Are you okay?
Okay lang, matanda
Kaya hindi ba pinagsasama? Lovey!
Hinawa ka pa yung pati.
Nakahamot na.
Itong ganda oh. Anong tawag dito?
Mga budak po, sir.
Ganito ang kulay
Yung
niyo.
Bird Kingdom po mo. Yung mga pogi sila yung lalaki.
Oo, yun ang ganda. Sabi niya, sister.
Mabait po yan. Si Lovey, mabait siya. Mahilig po siya sa girls, tsaka sa mga babies. Naglalablab po siya.
Naglalab.
Kapag gusto niya yung tao, naglalablab po.
Sabi niya, sister.
Love. Lovey, ayan po. Kaya po ang pangalan niya, Lovey.
Oh, sweet.
Yan ang love ano niya.
Opo.
Hindi po yung straight.
Atras lang po mga tayo. Keti yung hold it tight, ha? Hold it tight, Keti yun.
Yan, dito po sa kaliwa, si Marty.
You feed them.
Dating hawakan. Later.
Oh, bilis.
Ito po si Harley. Ayaw lang po niyang pawak. Gusto rin niya kumain na kumain. Pag ahawak siya, ma'am, naiwas yung gano'n. Opo, kahit hawa. Kaya po mamaya po, pwede po muna na mag-video sa picture.
Bigyan mo na, Keti
Kasi
yun.
pag wala nang
Go feed,
food,
go feed,
ayos na
Tio.
po yan. Kaya
Hawakan lang po na maikit mo, no? Mamalakas pa yung sidra.
hindi naman po kaya hindi naman po kayo kaya.
Pwede mo siya hawakan, Keti.
Hold it.
Smile.
Hold, touch. Touch your skin.
It's okay, Keti yun.
It's okay. Go, go, go.
Delikado lang po ostrich sa harapan. Paharap po kasi sipa nila.
Okay. Okay na. Good job. Behind the horse. Oh, hold.
Wala tayo pumeso sa likodan.
Oh, don't stand behind the horse because they will kick you. Oh, just on the side.
Sa
Go.
may side lang. It's okay, Keti. Like this, oh.
Eh,
Ang lifespan po nila, 15 to 25 years. Ito po ang pinakamatanda, 16 years old. 12 years old naman po si Rosana. Si Rex po pinakabata, 9 years old.
kinukuha nung ibon kanina.
The tour guide was so awesome.
So awesome. What can you say about the tour?
That I need to fight the screamer.
How will you rate this?
I rate this zoo 1 million.
1 million to 1 million?
1 million out of what? 10.